Back on that 65. My boy finna get this blower motor out of here. Customer wanna get it out. Guess he messed the motor up, so he finna go get it rebuilt, get it all forged that right way. Definitely can't put no blower on those stock blocks, but he finna get right. Be playing with y'all this summer.
Perry been shooting. Perry been shooting. Perry been shooting. Perry been shooting. Perry been shooting.
Lost a lot to the streets, still in the hustling. A generation when I flush, let them think it's weird.
Back with another update on that 65 Buick interior. Getting our center console. We're getting somewhere. Y'all see we got some drool. We're gonna do a speaker most likely down there. We got that nice curve going up. It's probably gonna be one of the, it's gonna be a nice center console. Got the cup holders. We're gonna do some light bars, TV, some buttons for the lights. Man, y'all know we already got the door panels ready to go. Gotta work on that upper part in the rear still. Then we can shrink our seats in the back, get them all bust down to fit. Getting that motor out so he can take it to a machine shop and get it built up. Shit now. Weird ass Buick motor, never seen it. Throw this in on that video. Got some SS Camaro seats for that 68 Firebird we doing. So we're gonna test fit these and see what we gotta do. Shouldn't be much work, especially in the front. Rear about as small as, they already small just like the factory 68 Firebird seats. So we should be good, make some brackets and get those ready to wrap. This car, the 68 Firebird and the 65 Buick, they're both going black, so we're gonna do something custom with those. I ain't gonna pit those until it's done, but probably what I end up doing with the black. And try something different. Definitely, I know for sure the Firebird he is doing yellow stitching, is staying yellow. I think we found a Tamco. I think we found the Tamco color he liked. We definitely gonna get a lot of test panels coming in soon, because once we get these quarters on here, the work done, we're gonna flow through it, man. I wanna flow through all these cars and make sure everybody out for the summer. It's gonna be a big year, 2023. We dropping so many hits. Me personally, I'm going on tour, so I gotta get them out here. I ain't working on nobody car late in the year. Towards summer, I'm outside, y'all. We gonna drop them tour dates every place I'm gonna be. If y'all wanna link up, if I'm in y'all area, let's do it. Let's do some collabs, all that. Go on, y'all know what to do, man. Go on, throw some comments, like, share, hit that alert button, man. We got a lot of footage. Oh yeah, let me give y'all another on this one real fast. Quick repair on this. Just found some in the front. Just seen this last night. Actually, I was just happening to going over the car, seeing something I ain't like. Finna get this thing in the booth right before Christmas. Man, y'all see Forgiato J. We're finna have him glass and yeah, that's got airbags. It's gonna be nice. Y'all like that custom Pontiac emblem on the rear? I thought that was nice. Yeah, we got the blue candy I posted. I go to this car. We working on that. Y'all see the wheel wells out. We candy and all that. I told you I was cleaning the engine bay. Maybe I haven't dropped that video of this car yet, but if not, I will drop it. We're gonna clean all this up. We subbed this out on the swap before we was doing swaps in-house. So I'm going back, taking all this stuff off. We're gonna paint all that. I actually did the paint on that. Painting all the core support. We got rid of a lot of factory wires in here that they left in here. It was okay, but we got it. You know, if it's leaving D-Town, it's gotta be painted for sure. That's what we stand by, that paint. That's where I started at. So everything gotta be clean looked. We're gonna put that candy hopefully next week. If not, before New Year, just gonna have that candy paint all the way on and jammed out, ready to go. I said, customer came down, he seen them King Digs in person, he loving that. Shit, I'm loving it. Shit, I know my car getting it, my other car, the convertible. But I'm gonna get out of here. Y'all locked in. We dropping hits, man.
Let them think it's sweet, like a candy paint. Made me call a D-Town custom. I talk, but they ain't saying nothing. You know it's game on when the hoes out. 10 years in the shit, nigga want some more. Now fuck all that plan and bring all the wits out. Yeah, the cars, the clothes, the cash, and the hoes. Yeah, straight from the bottom.